Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question. And question number 31. The instruction to this question says choose from the options lettered A to E, the one that is nearest in meaning to the italicized. So we are using this instruction to answer question 31 to 40, and the italicized word here is stored. And so this question is coming from what we call synonyms in English. So, and the sentence says the absence of the principal suspect in court stalled the trial. The absence of the principal suspect in court stalled the trial. And when we talk of stall, the word stall means delay. Yes, stall is from delayed. So an option A say accelerated, B say advanced, C say delayed, D say hindered, E say prepared. When we say accelerated, means something that promotes something. Advanced, something that aid something. Then also delay. Delay means retarded or stalled. The hindrance means problem. Then prepare means helps, and so on. So with this analysis, find out the option C is correct. So we can say that the absence of the principal suspect in court delayed the trial. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.